Hello everybody, so as you probably guessed from the title of today's video, we are baling and picking up straw in between the showers. So this is the first field that they cut of the straw that we've bought. It's not our field, it's not our land. Same as the barley, we've just bought the crop, bought the straw from a neighbour. Today is Thursday the 8th of August and this straw was cut on Tuesday. The combine did 2.5 times round the headland on this field before they got rained off. A shower came through and put a stop to them. And that shower also stopped us baling it. So this straw, it's had about 3 millimetres of rain on it, so not a great deal. And it was only showers, some passing showers, so it wasn't heavy rain, it went right into the bottom of the swath. So we've managed to wait until today, so today is Thursday, it was cut Tuesday. And we've managed to bale it without actually moving it. We haven't touched these swaths, so they've dried out on their own. We're just coming in quick to bale it out, pick it up, because according to the weather guessers, tomorrow, overnight tonight and into tomorrow, we're going to get a lot of rain coming in. But they've been saying we're going to have rain all week, and we've not had enough to make it worthwhile yet. So we've had enough to stop the combine. We've had enough to stop us baling this, but we haven't had enough to make the grass grow properly yet. We've had enough all summer. Well, we've had enough for the last month to keep it green. The grass is still green, it hasn't gone brown like it did last year, but it's not growing. The cows, we are feeding the cows now. They're still going out and finding a little bit, but the majority of their food is coming, we're feeding them bales. So hopefully we can get this baled up and picked up before the rain comes. We should do. He's baling now, he's more than half, he's about halfway baled. We've got just about half a load on now. Probably going to get 2 loads from this, what they've cut. Right, so here's the last load of the headland, loaded up, tied on, ready to go home. And there is a combine on the move again. So we'll go down and see if it's dry enough to bale. Hopefully it is, because if it's not dry enough now, it's going to get wet. And we'll keep up with the combine, hopefully, till the rain comes. Right, so here's the first swath he's just putting out. It's nice and dry, nothing wrong with that. With a few little bits of green in it. It's just he's running up a tram line, so that's where the green bits come from. But that's nothing to worry about. He's get on and get a bale in and see what we get. See how much we get in before the rain. So let's get on, get that load home, get that in the dry, and wait and see what the evening brings. Here comes the trailer ready to start catching the corn. Good luck, nearly met him on the road, so we're better to meet him here. Well, it rained. So what did we achieve yesterday? So last thing you saw was the combine just starting out, cutting the centre of that field. The combine cut the whole of that field. My brother baled the whole of that field, got that finished up. The combine went into the next field, but that wasn't fit to bale. It was green, it was wet, and it started to rain. Once the combine finished cutting it, it rained. Even if it hadn't rained, we couldn't have baled it. It just wouldn't have gone. It wasn't fit to bale. So now we have got a field of round bales out in the rain, which is not a problem. That's not an issue at all. They will dry out. The rain won't go into them. It'll just run off. They do need a few dry days to pick them up. but they're perfectly safe. What we also have is a field of very big, very wet, unripe straw swaths that are going to take quite a while to dry because they're not fit to bale yet, and they have had overnight, we had 17 millimeters of rain, so that's not good to have that on all that straw. But on the plus side, we needed it. It's good. It's going to make the grass grow now. It's enough to make it, it's a worthwhile amount to bring the grass on for the cows, so that's good. But we've now got a field of wet straw to deal with, but we'll get round it. And so that's where we are, that's where we stand today. So I'm going to finish this video off here. So I think that'll be it for this video. So I'll say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.